What's up everyone, James here and welcome to GoodDude TV. On this episode, I'm going to be swapping out a sprocket on a mini bike. I'm going to take you along for the process, show you all the steps that I take, and hopefully we can learn something together. So grab your popcorn, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy. First, I'm going to start by getting this chain off, and then I'll remove the back wheel and swap out that sprocket. Start with taking off this nut and this bolt. The reason why I'm doing this is because there's a lot of play in my chain. And I can do that. I'm gonna use Cresent wrench, adjustable wrench, and then a socket, 14 millimeter. Just set it on the ground. You will have a bunch of different things falling out as soon as you pull this bolt out. Just try and visually remember what you had going on. Like there's a spacer between the frame and the actual sprocket, and then same on the other side. Or actually no, not same on the other side. It's just the brake bracket. So there we go. There's the washer. Watch your hands, because I just trapped my thumb in there and that didn't feel too good. And then you should be able to pull the bolt out. There's the bolt. And that's what we're going to be changing out. Gonna undo these 6 Allen heads. Swap this guy out real quick. I don't know exactly what size this is. Seemed to do the job for me. Out with the old and with the new. Let's go. So there's the new one. I'm gonna have to drill out some of these holes because none of the screws fit. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Had to drill those holes out a lot, but finally got it. So we're sitting about there. So I want to break it 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth link back. Alright. So time to break the chain. There is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the one we're gonna break. One, 2, 3, 4. That's what we needed. Back that up. So there we go. Chain breaker. A nice little for my master link, and we're about to send it. So we're looking a little bit more than a master link. Take too much chain off, y'all. I ended up messing my first chain up, so I had to buy a new one. So this is the new one plus the one that I messed up. I ran a nail through it so it's at the same length. Then kind of just ran my fingers across it. Got it all straightened out. And broke it right to length. Alright, so we got the new chain. Now we're completed, and should be able to move that. Keep that chain from falling off. Beautiful. There we go. New sprocket. New chain. Let's send it. It's time to tighten up the chain tensioner and see what happens. This is 10 millimeter. I use an adjustable wrench on the backside here, and then I believe these are gonna be 10 millimeter as well, but you can use an adjustable wrench on these as well. Let's get it nice and tight so it don't go nowhere. Now we're going to take some of this DuPont chain saver and get it sprayed on the chain here. Getting it everywhere, you know. Alright, so there you have it for this video on swapping a sprocket out on a mini bike. If you found this video to be useful or just simply enjoyed the content, please hit that thumbs up button. Drop me a comment down below what you thought of this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. I want to say thank you all for watching. Keep creating, and I'll catch you on the next episode.